Assalamu alaikum. My name is Animation. Today our topic is plant breeding and genetics. First of all, the contents of our topic are tomato, introduction or botany, storage method of seed production, land requirements, transplanting, pest and disease management, harvesting, hybrid seed production, pollen collection. First of all, I discuss about tomato. We have mostly used tomato in cooking. हम ज़्यादातर tomato का use cooking में करते हैं. Tomato is one of the most important vegetable crops growing extensively in the tropical and subtropical belts of the world. It is grown mainly fresh market and to a little extent for processing. Increased attention now belongs bestowed to breeding and production of tomato. Production of tomato can further be increased of improved culture practices are combined with good quality seeds. Botany. Tomato is a typical day neutral plant. It requires temperature. इसको temperature require होता है 15 to 20 degree centigrade for fruit setting. Tomato is self-pollinated crop. Self-fertilization is favored by the position of repeating stigma within the cone, anthers, and the normal pendant position of the flower. मेथड ऑफ सीड प्रोडक्शन के मेथड्स क्या हो सकते हैं? ये सीड टू सीड होता है. आगे स्टेजेस ऑफ सीड प्रोडक्शन, ब्रीडर सीड, फाउंडेशन सीड 1, फाउंडेशन सीड 2, आगे सर्टिफाइड सीड. वैरायटीज इसकी क्या हो सकती हैं? COTH1 प्लांट हाइब्रिड एंड आर्का वार्डन होता है. आर्का अभिजीत रूपाली प्लांट हाइब्रिड 2, पीसा हाइब्रिड 1 to 4, नेविल एंड सोनाली आर्का शेरिस का. ये सीजन कौन से यूज होता है? सीजन मई टू जून में होता है. ये नवंबर टू दिसंबर. नेक्स्ट विल बी डिस्कस बाय ये कौन करेगा? चलो आप नेक्स्ट डिस्कस कर लो. आगे
मैं करूं?
किधर आ रही हो?
A. My topic is plant breeding and genetics. My course content is plant breeding and genetics, PBG 408. Land requirement. Selection of suitable land for tomatoes. Selection of suitable land for tomato seed production is important, where the previous group should not be the same variety to avoid contamination due to the vulture plants. Seed rate. For F1 hybrid, male plant 25 gram and female plant 100 gram. Sow the seed in raised nursery bed of 20 cm high in rows of 5 cm gap and covered with stand. 8 and 10 nursery beds will be sufficient to transplant 1 acre. Apply 20 kg of DAP 10 days before pulling out of seedling. Transplanting should be done with the seedlings are 20 to 25 days old, preferably at every time. Spacing is 60 multiplied by 45 cm, 90 multiplied by 60 cm for female parent of hybrid, 60 multiplied by 45 cm for male parents of hybrid. Manuring. After through a preparation of a field to fine tilt, apply 25 tons of FYM for apply 100 ratio 100 kg NPK, of which 50% of N is applied. Plant ratio. For hybrid seed production, the female and male plants are normally planted in the ratio of 12:1 or 12:2. Pest disease management. The major pest attacking tomato crops are and leaf-eating caterpillars and fruit borers, which can be controlled by spraying. The major disease in tomato are early blight. The early blight rot can be controlled by spraying.
My name is Noorul Ain. 2020 AG 3060. So here we will discuss about harvesting. Tomatoes are typically ready to harvest 60 to 85 days after planting seedlings outdoors. However, timing can change actually depending on your climate and the variety of tomatoes you are growing if you are planting determinate tomatoes. Next हमारे पास है stages of maturation. These stages growth of tomatoes are described by John as germination and early growth with initial leaves between 25 to 35 days and vegetative period 26 to 25 days, flowering 20 to 30 days, early fruiting 20 to 30 days, and mature fruiting 15 to 20 days. Next है हमारे पास seed extraction. Seed extraction मतलब harvest ripe to ripe fruit which had the stems removed and cut into halves. Cut through the center of fruit. Open the fruit exposing the gel-covered seed. And next, mature seed will be covered with gel which is placenta tissue. Next, squeeze seed only into the 5-gallon bucket. Next है हमारे पास drying, grading and storage. Sizing of grown tomatoes is based on the diameter of the fruit with the USDA size grade being small. And then medium, large and extra large. You may see a different nomenclature on your tomato box. Next, हमारे पास आ जाएगा hybrid seed production. Emasculation, the process of extracting anthers from bisexual flowers without harming female reproductive part is called emasculation. If the female parent has bisexual flowers, anthers are removed from the flower bud using a pair of forceps. Next है हमारे पास certification of seeds. The process by which a state seed certifying agency gives official recognition to seed produce of a cultivated or named variety under a limited generation system which ensures genetic purity, identity and a given minimum level of quality. That's all about my presentation. Thank you so much. Have you any question? Stop कर दो.